We are waiting Georgi right now. And sit here. Shaira clean for me. Yeah, good. Thank you, Shaira.
It's not dirty.
It's not dirty? No, it's okay. Hi guys, already Georgi. Where you been?
In billiard.
In billiard?
Yes.
You win?
3 times. Yes.
3 times. Very good, very good. Guys, we go to Kokomas right now. Outside Kokomas also have space. Maybe we eat now outside Kokomas. What do you think? Outside, yes? Okay. Outside this place, yeah. Take a look, have space, so many. It's low season right now. In Kokomas this time, this is 11 now, 11 p.m. There's so many space in Kokomas. So, fun? It's cold for you? Cold?
Ну, я не хочу, потому что...
You don't want in fun? No, you can sit here. You can sit here. For you it's okay, Shaira? You can move. Okay. Good. Chicken noodle soup, yes. Georgi, want chicken noodle soup? 3 chicken noodle soup with crackers. So many girls, but don't have guys. Very few. Very few, yes?
Yes.
Low season, Georgi, low season.
Many girls looking, staring at me. Fishing.
You remember one girl say to you 3,000 peso?
Yes.
You say no, 1,000. And what she say? No, it's one month ago.
No.
2 months.
She offered me short time for 3,000. Yes. I tell 1,000. She tell 2,000. I explain her. So already April, so many customers, many foreigners go to the country, so you don't have choice. So if you not agree 1,000 now, maybe in May or June you will ask, but I tell you 700 only.
So now already she agree 1,000.
Yeah, she agree 1,000.
Good deal, Georgi. Good. Good, Shaira. Okay.